Are you ready to take your career and business to the next level? Welcome to my mini MBA, Foundations of Business Strategy Consulting course. This is next level business strategy training for startups, entrepreneurs, consultants and CEOs. Taught by an award-winning MBA graduate and senior investment banker. Hi, my name's John Colley and I'm really thrilled to bring you this comprehensive business strategy course. In fact, I think it's the most comprehensive MBA level business strategy course on Udemy today. Now, you don't have to enroll in a major business school to master business strategy. I did that for you and it took me 2 years and thousands of pounds. I'm going to combine these MBA level business school models and frameworks with my over 30 years of advisory experience to help you master business strategy. Discover business strategy design, life cycle models, external environment analysis with PEST and PESTEL, internal and external analysis with SWOT, TOWS and SAW, industry and market analysis with Michael Porter's models, market growth and market share with the BCG, Boston Consulting Group Matrix model, competitive advantage, growth strategy options, competitive analysis evaluation, and how to connect finance and strategy with financial modelling, and finally, strategic planning implementation. Accompanying this are literally a dozen or so case studies with solutions and templates showing you how to apply these models to real-world situations. I'm really excited to be bringing you this MBA level business strategy course, which you can take at home, you do it on demand, and you can study at your own pace. And of course, you've got downloadable slide decks with every lecture. Now, if English is not your first language, don't worry, I've completely got your back on this because every slide deck has detailed notes on the screen just like this, which will make the course very easy for you to follow. Don't forget to check out my preview lectures, especially the course executive summary. Click the Take This Course button now and enroll in the course to take your first step to taking your career to the next level. I'll see you inside the course. Mini MBA, Foundations of Business Strategy Consulting. Enroll today.